Let's do a quick and easy eyeshadow look for St. Patrick's Day. So it's gonna be a kind of a greenish tint that we're gonna go with, which is Saint's Ivy League color. So all over, we're gonna put Cupcake, which is my favorite go-to kind of all over shade. And I'm just gonna do one eye for now, so we don't make this an extra long video. Oak is our next color. So it's like a light brown. I don't like aggressive colors on my eyeballs. Just not something I have energy or time for. So what I'm gonna do is put this color just right here in this corner, and I'm gonna go about to the middle. Remember, if you have a hooded eye, you wanna go up slightly above that crease just a little bit so that you're putting the eyeshadow in a spot you can actually see it. Now I'm gonna kind of feather that out. Always hold your eyeshadow brush very far back. You do not want to choke up on the eyeshadow brush. You want to let the eyeshadow brush do all the work. So there we go, just a real light, kind of subtle brown. Okay, let's get a little green on Ivy League. So we're gonna get just a little bit. I like to start off with just a smidge, and we're really gonna go just right in that corner, almost make a little bit of a V. Just like that. Now we're going to take what's left. I'm not adding any more, and I'm going to go right up under the lower lash line. So essentially I'm lining the lower lash line with that green shade, and it's just with the excess that was on my brush. Now we're going to go back in with the floofy end, and we're going to just brush it in towards the eye, or towards the center of the eye, I guess. Bring that color in so we're not bringing any of that color out this way. Last, I've got Rome, and also do Stay Golden. There's several of these little colors that do this, and I'm gonna take it and I'm gonna just pat it right here in the middle, which is really gonna brighten up the center of the eye. Now I'm gonna clean up the edges like you guys know I like to do. Really bringing it up into a point, which creates that nice smoky edge and also raises that eye look. You see how it just kind of really brings it all up into a point.